Alright, so here with Brian Burkett, one more year in the Manning Cup. Baller, how are you feeling? How are you doing? Fit, fine, talk to me.
Yeah, I'm fit. I'm very happy, very confident at the moment.
Alright, talk to me about today's game. When you came out, Ardenne is a team that you know very well. Some of the players repeating. Um, what were you trying to accomplish today, individually, against the Ardenne team that that you are so familiar with?
Well, I wasn't sure that I was going to play because the coach was giving me a bit of a rest. But unfortunately, one of the players got injured and I had to go out there and contribute and help the team win today. So I didn't really have much, but I wanted to help the team in the best way as possible.
Alright, and as a team, what were some of the instructions from the coach? Were you trying to just have a dominant, comfortable performance, or were you trying to run over them?
Just dominate the game, keep possession on the ball, play smart, not get any injuries, and just execute and come up victorious.
What's the vibe in the camp this year? Last year you guys bounced in the quarterfinal stage. How are you guys feeling, and what are you planning on doing this year?
Well, as you know, we had a very young team. Now players are mature, more matured, and more hungry. So the chemistry is there, and we're very hungry for this one.
All right, do you feel like you're one of the best players in the Manning Cup? I want to hear from you. Are you trying to go for that MVP? How do you feel about your status in the Manning Cup right now?
Of course, that's the aim. Get to the MVP, be the best. So that's what happened.
All right, thank you, Brian. Congrats on the win. Keep going.
Thanks.
Yeah, man.